Welcome to 3848 Essex Heights Trail in Fortson, Georgia. This exceptional home is over 5,400 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and 3 levels to include a finished daylight basement and 2 master suites, all on almost 1.5 acres. When versatility and flexible living options are a priority, this is your home. Located in Muskogee County, this multi-level custom home offers terrific space for your family's needs. With no detail overlooked, this is a home with lots of special upgrades such as 2 wine coolers, special cabinet features, a laundry chute from upstairs, custom master closet, wet bar, and more. There is 1 master suite on the main level and 1 upstairs, which provides adaptable space for multi-generations all under one roof. There's a 3-car side entry garage on the main level and a 4th garage at the basement level, which is perfect for the pool equipment you'll need when you install an awesome backyard oasis. This home truly has some of everything for everyone in your family, and the location is ideal. Wooldridge Heights is a peaceful and convenient setting. This is 3848 Essex Heights Trail. Come check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw, at 706-358-4064.